They say legends never die, they just wait for someone to remember them. Today, we bring this masterpiece back to life.
She hasn't seen the sun in 50 years, but under all this history, a heartbeat is still waiting to roar.
Once a symbol of luxury, the magnificent 540K now rests beneath layers of dust and time.
And here, under layers of time, we find the heart of the beast. Tarnished, but unmistakable.
The restoration is complete, ma'am. Here is the balance.
Thank you. It's truly magnificent.
All right, keep it coming. Almost there. Push. Steady now, steady. A little more to the left. Okay, hold it right there.
After decades hidden behind the gates, the legendary Mercedes 540K finally re-emerges into the light.
She's all yours.
It's magnificent. We'll start the assessment right away. Check the alignment on your side. We need to be precise with this chassis.
It's right on the jacking point, ready to lift.
This 1940 Mercedes 540K reveals a time capsule underneath. Decades of road grime.
Everything looks solid. Just a bit of wear on this gasket here, otherwise remarkable condition for its age.
And this is the heart of the beast, the legendary compressor engine.
Notice the dual carburetors feeding the supercharger.
As you can hear, this bolt hasn't moved in decades. We have to be extremely careful not to damage the chrome housing.
Decades of wear are evident in the brittle rubber. As the final screw is extracted, the gasket simply disintegrates under the pressure. With the final bolts loosened, the heavy grille comes free, revealing decades of buildup in the radiator, a testament to the car's long life. Carefully prying the leather back reveals the intricate craftsmanship of the original wooden frame and the complex window regulators. The 540K was a marvel of engineering, but removing this Bakelite wheel requires patience and a delicate touch.
All right, on three. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Watch the dust cloud.
Don't force it or you'll crack the glass.
This 1940 Mercedes 540K is a true masterpiece. Every piece, including this heavy chrome
Removing this massive wire wheel is no easy task, revealing the equally substantial drum brakes hidden beneath.
Lower it steady, keep that angle.
All right, she's flowing now. Smells awful.
Just make sure we catch it all.
Cutting through 70-year-old steel requires precision and power. The original exhaust is finally coming free. As you can see, the rubber has completely degraded over time, causing the stagnant coolant to leak. The twin carburetors on the 540K are complex, requiring careful removal of the intricate linkage before they can be lifted from the manifold. As the valve cover is slowly pulled away, we see the intricate rocker arms and valve springs, coated in decades of oil. Every wire, no matter how frayed, is carefully documented before we snip it from the firewall. It's a slow process. To ensure the integrity of the brake lines, we use specialized flaring wrenches for the disconnect.
With the final bolt removed, we can now carefully separate the gearbox. This reveals the original flywheel and... All right, steady now.
Clear the fender.
Looking good, keep it coming up.
This hollow space once housed the heart of the beast, a testament to the engineering prowess of the late 1930s.
Apply pressure evenly.
I felt the seal break.
Okay, lift slowly together. Ready to lift.
Nice and slow.
Clear on this side, let's move it back. All right, easy now. Watch the edge near the running board.
Got it, it's heavier than it looks.
Just clear the mounting points and we're clear.
With the body shell now clear, we can begin the detailed restoration work on this magnificent chassis.
Every single component of this magnificent 540K, meticulously restored and arranged, waiting for reassembly.
The 540K chassis, long thought lost, begins to emerge from its muddy tomb.
Beneath this thick layer of grease lies the immaculate engineering of the 540K. Watch as the high-pressure stream cuts through the decades of grime. This thick blanket of snow foam is essential for a touchless wash. It encapsulates the dirt particles, ensuring observe how the specialized snow foam clings to the surface of this magnificent 540K, gently encapsulating the grime and safely carrying it away.
Preserving the original emblems requires patience and the right tools. This horsehair brush gently lifts the dirt without scratching the 70-year-old metal.
Built in 1940, this Mercedes 540K represents the pinnacle of pre-war engineering.
Applied directly to the chassis, the powerful purple formula emulsifies the black grease, revealing the pristine metal beneath.
The clear water washes away the thick foam, revealing the true state of the oxidized paint beneath.
The 540K's leaf springs require meticulous attention. Decades of grime must be removed before the final polish.
This straight-8 block, original to the 1940 540K, requires meticulous care.
This is the heart of the beast, the legendary 1940 Mercedes 540K. Restoring the crankcase requires... This is the original flooring from 1940. As you can see, decades of grime have built up, requiring a very careful approach.
Attention to detail is paramount. The hidden hinges of this magnificent 540K are carefully cleaned to preserve the original finish.
We use a soft bristle brush and a pH-neutral cleaner to gently lift the dirt from the original paintwork. To restore this 1940 540K, we iconic wire wheels. A small test spot is all it takes to reveal the mirror finish hidden beneath the patina. The original chrome shines instantly.
The sandblasting process is essential to remove decades of grime and rust, revealing the pristine metal underneath.
To prepare the suspension arms for plating, we carefully media blast the surface, removing all the old paint and rust, revealing the original steel.
This thick chemical stripper is perfect for curved surfaces like the 540K hood. As you can see, the old lacquer begins to lift almost immediately.
We have to be extremely careful removing the layers, preserving the history underneath.
To restore this 540K to its former glory, every component, down to the smallest bolt, must be absolutely pristine. This is where the magic happens. The ultrasonic waves create millions of microscopic bubbles, scouring.
To achieve this level of clarity on the thick 540K glass, we use a specialized compound and a slow, methodical buffing technique.
And as you can see, once the old finish is gone, the true beauty of the original 540K grain starts to emerge.
As you can see, the foam begins to lift the patina, revealing the vibrant red beneath. A gentle touch is essential for these vintage hides.
The contrast here is incredible. 50 years of grime just dissolving away, revealing the pristine beige wool.
And there we have it, absolutely crystal clear. A perfect finish for this magnificent machine.
To maintain the pristine condition of this iconic Mercedes, we must attend to every detail, right down to the emblem's delicate crevices.
The 540K requires meticulous care. We sand the drums to remove any hard spots, then clear the debris completely.
This pressurized blast clears any remaining debris or old fuel from the copper tubing.
Meticulously straightening the delicate fins of this 1940 Mercedes 540K is crucial for optimal cooling and historical accuracy.
Restoring a car of this caliber requires patience. Every component, especially the massive air intake, must be treated with the utmost care.
As you can see, the fresh grease pushes out the old contaminants. This ensures the suspension articulates correctly, just as it did in 1940.
This final polish reveals the true depth of the gunmetal finish, a testament to the team's dedication.
Tapping the new aluminum piston into the 540K block requires a delicate touch and absolute precision to ensure the rings compress smoothly.
This is the moment of truth. The massive crankshaft slowly descends into the legendary 1940 Mercedes-Benz engine block.
So we're using a fine grinding paste to create this perfect concentric seal. It's crucial for the compression of the engine.
The heavy timing gears must be precisely aligned with the camshaft splines before the final torque is applied. Achieving this mirror finish is crucial for the supercharger's efficiency and performance.
This high-temperature gray ceramic coating not only provides a factory finish, but also critical heat protection for the legendary 540K engine block.
Precision is key when fabricating a new gasket for the 540K. Every hole must align perfectly with the original specifications.
The massive distributor on the 540K requires meticulous care. We're replacing the points and condenser to ensure a reliable spark. The key to these older carbs is patience. We adjust the brass screws incrementally, listening for that perfect.
Here we see the chassis receiving its first coat of red oxide primer. This protects the bare metal and provides the perfect base for the high-gloss black finish.
The chassis of the 540K requires a flawless finish, achieved through careful application of high-gloss paint in a controlled environment.
With the new bushings in place, we can finally reassemble the suspension onto the 540K frame.
The key here is the nickel-copper alloy. It bends easily, but holds its shape. We follow the factory specifications.
We use a dental pick to carefully seat the primary seal. Then, the piston, coated in silicone grease,
To get the surface perfectly straight on the 540K, we rely on longboard sanding.
The gray high-build primer creates a uniform surface, crucial for the flawless black finish this 540K deserves. The guide coat is essential. It highlights every imperfection, ensuring the surface is perfectly flat before the final paint. To achieve a flawless finish on the 540K, every curve must be meticulously masked. Precision is absolutely critical at this stage. The first pass of the midnight black base coat is crucial for the final finish on this 540K fender. We must ensure flawless coverage.
This isn't just paint, it's a liquid-like armor, flowing effortlessly over the massive side panels of this 1940 classic.
Watch how the clear coat transforms the surface, creating an unparalleled depth and reflection.
We're using 2000 grit sandpaper here with plenty of water to eliminate that factory orange peel texture.
To get this level of gloss on the original black paint, you need heavy polishing. The rotary buffer slowly reveals the true depth of the lacquer.
This is the fine finishing stage. Getting the black paint to this mirror gloss takes hours, but it's worth it for a car with this history.
the bumper is lowered into the electrolytic bath, where a high current flow will deposit the chrome particles onto the nickel layer.
Each of these chrome strips must be perfectly aligned, otherwise the whole effect is lost. The key to restoring the 540K emblem is patience. We use a very fine brush to apply the red enamel. We're using the wrench here to make micro adjustments. You're listening for the tone, making sure every spoke is singing the same note.
The 540K requires absolute precision. Stretching this white wall requires careful use of the machine to avoid damaging the fresh chrome.
Here we see the delicate process of recoring the radiator for the 1940 Mercedes 540.
This epoxy coating is crucial. It prevents ethanol from corroding the new tank, ensuring the car lasts another 80 years. We use only the highest grade stainless steel for these systems. As you can see, the fit on the chassis needs to be absolutely flawless.
We apply 10 coats of the clear lacquer, allowing each one to fully cure before moving on to the next.
This 540K dashboard requires absolute precision. Now we carefully seat the gauge into the polished brass housing.
We're retying the original coil springs here. It's a dying art, securing the tension with these precise knots.
You have to feel the seam, make sure the tension is absolutely perfect before we install it. We spend hours sanding these complex joints. It has to be perfect before we even think about applying that first layer of paint.
We're almost home. Guide the rear mount in.
Got it. It's seated.
You have to be meticulous with the alignment. Now, slowly ease it forward until it seats perfectly on the dowels.
Watch the clearance over the engine bay. Coming down slowly. Stop right there. Okay, easy now. Does that line up for you?
Almost there, just a hair to the left. Got it.
All right, start the bolt. And that's it, perfectly torqued. You see the precision required for this 540K grille, it's absolutely flawless now. We're using a specialized ratcheting wrench to carefully tighten the main bolt. It's critical to ensure the lamp is perfectly aligned before applying the final torque.
The new cloth-covered harness must be carefully fed through the original firewall opening, ensuring no chafing against the metal.
And with that, the iconic white steering wheel of the 540K is secured. It's that satisfying click that tells you the alignment is perfect.
Hand-selecting the finest Scottish wool, we ensure every curve of the 1940 chassis is perfectly covered.
Bolting these seats in is a critical step. You can't rush perfection when dealing with this level of luxury.
We're fitting the red leather door cards now. This is where the craftsmanship really shines through on the 540K.
Aligning the windshield on a 540K requires absolute precision. We use these specialized suction cups to
Okay, ease it over the front edge slowly. Right here, perfect. Now clamp that side down while I stretch the back.
The final fitting of the 540K's massive rear bumper is a two-person job, requiring absolute precision.
The lifeblood of the engine, this golden oil, must be introduced slowly to ensure proper coating of the intricate components. The blue coolant is slowly poured into the radiator, a vital step in preserving this magnificent machine.
The culmination of months of work, finalized by this small but vital spark, as the power flows to the legendary compressor engine.
All right, steady now. Make sure the valve stem lines up.
Got it. Hand me the torque wrench.
There we are. Absolutely flawless.
As the last vestiges of smoke clear, the supercharged straight 8 settles into that unmistakable, powerful idol.
The legendary 540K, a true masterpiece of German engineering, leaves the workshop behind and heads for the open road.
Few cars define an era quite like the 540K. This stunning example, moving effortlessly through the golden...
This is the Mercedes-Benz 540K, a rare glimpse at automotive royalty, perfectly preserved under this dramatic sky.
Widely considered one of the most beautiful cars ever built, the 540K was a true masterpiece of its time. The 540K, a masterpiece of German engineering, was one of the fastest cars of its day.
Engaging the clutch on the massive Roots-type supercharger instantly boosts the engine's power, a defining feature of the 540K.
This is absolutely marvelous.
When we examine the cornering dynamics of the massive 540K, we see a level of balance unheard of in its era. Few vehicles capture the imagination quite like the 540K. Here, bathed in the setting sun, its timeless design truly shines.
The magnificent 540K, a true marvel of its era, gliding effortlessly through the ancient marked square.
This is the 1940 Mercedes-Benz 540K. Its iconic S-curve fenders and...
History isn't just in books, it's in the steel we save. If you want to see more legends reborn, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. See you in the next restoration. Don't forget to like and share this transformation.